My name is Morgan Ryan. I'm a solutions engineer at Kempower. My company makes level 3 DC fast chargers for the EV industry. My education background, I have a bachelor's of science in materials engineering at Purdue University, and then a master's of science in mechanical engineering at the University of Utah. I did have a few internships when I was in school between my sophomore and junior year, and then my junior year into my senior year as well. I think internships are very important to build a career just because it gives a lot of experience that you wouldn't necessarily get from your college classes or even your high school classes. It just gives you a broad understanding of kind of how the workforce works. And then also you can really see how your problem solving skills or your engineering skills that you learn can be applied to your job or the projects that you're working on. My typical day is, I guess, very different every single day. I talk to customers almost daily. So whatever their questions are, whatever their issues might be, I help come up with a solution to solve those problems. I was actually in the aerospace industry before this job. I was definitely not expecting to go down into the EV industry, but it just kind of happened. And I think that's kind of what happens a lot in career paths is things change constantly and your interests might change. And so you just kind of go with the flow, if you will. I would say in general, my career goal is maybe not necessarily like to become a manager or become a people manager by any means. I would say just in general, it's more just to keep learning every day, develop my skills, so as my future progresses, I can decide what career path or what type of job description I would want to go into next. The skills that are most important to my job are definitely problem-solving skills. The best part of my job is definitely working with different people every day and alongside my teammates here. Kempower is a very good culture, and it just makes coming to work that much easier. Along with the value that Kempower and with sustainability, it's something that I value and it just aligns perfectly. And again, it just makes coming and doing your job that much easier. The advice I would give students to figure out what they do is don't put too much pressure on it. You're probably not going to land your dream job coming right after college or right after high school. It's going to take some time. This industry is very new and it's very exciting. Everyone's learning at the same time. So we're all learning together, which makes it a lot less pressure, right? Because you don't have people with tons of knowledge and you're new into the industry and you're just trying to catch up. And so everyone's learning together. I can just see the industry taking off as more and more EVs get on the road, as more and more people understand the electrification journey of the United States.